Ever wonder what keeps your home warm, your showers hot, and your meals cooking? Chances are natural gas plays a huge role. One of the biggest gas guzzlers in most homes is the furnace. It burns natural gas to heat air, then circulates that warm air through ducts, keeping your entire house toasty during cold months. It's like your home's central heater. Next up, hot water. Gas water heaters quickly warm up large tanks of water using a gas burner at the bottom. So, when you turn on that hot shower or run your dishwasher, thank your gas water heater. For many chefs, nothing beats cooking with gas. Gas ranges and ovens provide instant heat and precise temperature control with a visible flame. From boiling water to baking cakes, gas makes cooking a breeze. And finally, drying your laundry. Many homes use gas dryers, which are often more energy efficient than electric models. They use a gas burner to heat air, quickly and effectively drying your clothes. So, from keeping you warm and clean to cooking your food and drying your clothes, natural gas is a powerful, versatile energy source that makes our daily lives comfortable and convenient. It's truly at the heart of many modern homes. Subscribe for more fun facts.